Hello, welcome to video number 4 in KDOT's Mastering Open Roads Designer series. The training topic is survey data import. And at the end of video number 3, we had just entered the text import wizard and we were preparing to import a survey data file. And we were looking at the settings file that establishes KDOT's survey format in the text import wizard. And now we're going to take a closer look at the CSV file that the settings file is set up for. So these CSV files are just ASCII text files, excuse me. They can come in any number of formats. CSV stands for comma separated values. So what we're seeing is each line entry in this file is a new point. The comma separated values here correspond to the following fields. So the first entry is point name, and then you have a comma separating it from the second entry, which is northing, easting, elevation. And then we have feature code and linking code, and they're put together. It's a space that separates those. So the first set of characters that you see is going to be the feature code for the shot, and then the linking code, which creates connectivity in our survey data. And if a backslash is present, that indicates that there's further comments or notes. And so it's this format that we see in, that's all set up in the TIW file that KDOT packages with their workspace. We are back in OpenSite Designer, and this is where we left off in the import process. We've loaded that utility CSV file for our project, and then we've loaded the TIW file with the KDOT specific settings. I'm going to press the next button, and you can see that the data is all being categorized correctly based on the settings file, and everything looks ready. I'm going to press finish to import. And you can see after import we now have a new data file in our field book. We have new point features and we have new linear features. If I wanted at this point, I could fit the view to verify that yes, I did bring some data in. And I have 6 other CSV files in this data set, so I'm going to pause the recording right here and I'm going to go ahead and import those other 6 CSV files. If you're following along with this demonstration, I suggest you do the same. And when we come back in video number 5, we'll continue on with the workflow.